Hi guys, welcome back to another plan with me. I'm actually filming this on Thursday. I think what I want to start doing with these plan with me's are doing like rewind plan with me's, because then I'll know what actually happened and it can be like accurate information. Whereas I feel like if I film it like on Sunday or Monday, I don't know what's happening this part of the week. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I decided, since it is the first day of spring, which I didn't even realize until somebody mentioned it, I think on Instagram, but it is spring. I'm so happy. Like, I'm just like, yes, it is spring. I'm loving this. I'm ready. So I decided to use our Hello Spring kit, and it just looks like that. Looks like this. It's one of my favorite kits that we have in the shop currently. I love it, you guys. It's just so beautiful, and I'm so excited for spring. It was such a long winter, and I'm just so glad that it's finally over. And I know stuff's going on right now, but I really do think in like a month or so, everything's gonna be good. So anyway, I added some extra washi strips because I felt like I needed them, and I think I'm gonna bring washi strips back to the shop in like an add-on form, but I just did this for myself real quick. And then I have the matching spring, like the little things, and then the headers, which I'm gonna add these to the shop as well. They're not up yet, but I will be adding them. So yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing with that. I've also pulled out some stuff for pre-planning, not pre-planning, but like gathering all my thoughts, because I feel like these plan with me's can get a little all over the place. So yeah, let's get started. So as always, this was supposed to be a talk through video, but we're making it a voiceover. That is because I just felt like I was rambling on for 40 minutes and it was all over the place, and I just hate videos like that. Like, I don't hate it when other people do that, because I still find it really interesting when they're talking about their life, but when I'm doing it, I'm just like, oh my gosh, shut up, Rachel. And so that's where we're at with this video. One day I'm gonna get the hang of talking while putting stickers down and doing all that, but today is not that day. So today we are voicing over this video. Anyway, I wanted to apologize for the lack of videos here lately. It's just because schedules have changed, and so James was working from the home part of the time, and like his schedule is really all over the place right now. So because of that, it made it difficult to film when he's at home, because he was on like meetings and stuff, and I didn't want to disrupt him and like his work. So I mainly focused on like making stickers and stuff last week, and I'm also in the Ultimate Planner sale, which I can officially announce that now, and I've been focused on getting stuff ready for that, getting new releases done, everything like that. So I did a bunch of designing last week, and YouTube just wasn't I don't want to say it wasn't my focus, but it wasn't my focus at the same time, just because of like having James here and feeling like I couldn't film right then. Not because like he wouldn't let me film, but just because I didn't want to feel like I was bothering him in any way. But this week he's working again in his office, but they have like a weird schedule going on this week. So he's actually working at night. He'll be working from like 3 to 11:30 all week. And so now I'm on this weird schedule of working from 3 to 11:30, which I normally don't work at night. After about 5 or 6 o'clock, I stop working and I stop doing any work related things. So now I've had to like flip flop my schedule. So now it's like our mornings are like our nighttime, routine kind of stuff, and our nights are like our mornings. It's really weird, but it's all right. It's very temporary. I'm hoping that this will kind of end within like the next 2 weeks. Because there's like, I feel like next week they're going to switch him to like the other shift that they're doing. They split it into two shifts for people because they couldn't have that many people in the office at one time. And so yeah, and he was working from home, but then he had to go in because they were like, okay, we want to have like manager support there and whatever. And he's not really a manager. It's really complicated to say what he does and all of that. But basically they needed him there, which was totally fine. And so I think next week he'll probably be on like the earlier shift from like 5 a.m. to like 1 p.m. or something weird. I don't know. And so
yeah, my schedule is all over the place because of that, because I try to do the same schedule he does. That way we're on the same schedule and we can just relax and enjoy downtime whenever he gets off. So yeah, it's just, whew. So because of that, it kind of threw off my video schedule. And also because I'm in a sale, I'm trying to like focus and prep for that. And I would have shown behind the scenes of that but one, I couldn't really talk about it until today. That's when everything got announced. But also like, I couldn't really film behind the scenes because James was also with me like in my office working on his stuff, and I can't show or talk about what he does, which is totally fine. Like I don't think anybody here really cares that much because it's kind of boring. I mean, I think it's kind of boring. He loves his job, but I'm just like, it's boring to me. It's not like my thing, you know? But I couldn't really film with him in here. So yeah, that's where the videos have been. I apologize. It's, you know, kind of crazy right now, but it's all going to get back to normal soon. And so it's going to be fine. But yeah, it was just a really weird week, you guys. Also, I got a massage on Tuesday in the middle of the day, which normally never happens, but it was the only appointment available with my person. And it was so sad, you guys, because she's actually moving and that was my last like time with her. And I'm so sad, but she recommended somebody else, but it's still just sad, you know? It's still just like, So yeah, that put me in a weird mood. So then on Tuesday, I wasn't productive at all because after that, I was just so bummed out and sad. I ended up coming home and playing Sims with my sister, and like we FaceTimed and we're playing Sims at the same time, you know? And yeah, it's just, it was just a weird week, you guys. And I know a lot of people are experiencing that. And, you know, I'm not really going to dive into everything that's going on because I really do feel like that I want my channel to just be a place of like, you know, where you can escape reality and we don't need the constant reminder of what's going on. So I will not be talking about that, and I will not be talking about it in the comments either. The one thing that I will say is please know that I'm doing really well. My anxiety is fine. It's, you know, I'm doing okay. That's what I'm trying to say. I know a lot of people were asking me about that, and I'm doing really well. So I am praying for everyone, and I hope that you guys are being safe and you guys are well as well. But yeah, that's really the only addressing of the situation that I'm going to be doing on my channel, because we just need it to be a happy, fun place. So yeah, please don't expect me to talk about it. It's not because I'm insensitive or I don't know what's going on in the world. It's just because we're already seeing enough of that junk everywhere else. So my channel needs to remain happy and positive and fun and just a place where we can all come together and remember the good things in life. So yeah, but that's really, this week was just full of sticker shop stuff and obviously not filming videos because I failed. But I am planning on filming and like putting up videos every single day in April, and I'm really, really excited about that. I want to do a lot of cleaning videos, like spring cleaning, and I'm really, really excited about that. I'm also going to be doing sticker shop related videos as well. But, you know, I'm just trying to mix up my content for you guys and keep it like fresh and new over here. So yeah, lots of spring cleaning, and just, I'm so excited about it. I mean, I'm excited to bring the content to you. I don't know if I'm really excited to like spring clean, if I'm being honest, because it's just going to take, you know, it's going to take some time, but I'm still excited about it. You know, I think it'll be great when everything is like super organized and put together in my apartment. But yeah, like I'm like, but doing it isn't always like the most fun thing I could be doing. But yeah, so if you guys have any like videos that you really want to see in the month of April, let me know, because like I said, I'm going to be trying to do videos every single day, kind of similar to like Vlogtober. I know you guys really, really loved Vlogtober, so I kind of wanted to do something like that again, especially right now when we just need fun stuff, you know? So let me know in the comments below what you want to see for the month of April, because I need to like start filming it and working on it now, so that way I keep up with it, and you know what I mean? Like that way I don't have to film, edit, and upload every single day, and I kind of get a break from that. So I'm going to start prepping everything. So let me know in the comments below.
Alright guys, so that is how my spread turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to leave a comment telling me how your week is going. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more planner videos, just more planner content, sticker shop related content, vlogs, meal prep, cleaning, all that fun stuff. Make sure you click subscribe if you're interested in that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Take me,